Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Discord notifications on Discord app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for your girlfriend, boyfriend, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. We're gonna start by opening up your setting icon on your phone device. Once you open up your settings, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you scroll on the bottom until you find Discord. Then once you find Discord right there, tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on where it says notifications. Tap on notifications right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on the upper where it says allow notifications. You see like the white circle right there, also the green color. Make sure you tap on the white circle within the green color right there. Then everything gonna disappear like that. And that's how you disable Discord notifications on Discord app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.